Okay, so friends, I'm Dr. Heena and today for scholarship grade 7, we are taking the subject maths, and in the maths, our today's topic is related to number work. So in the number work, first everything is introductory session related to what is meant by even number, what is meant by odd number, prime number, twin prime number, four prime number. One second. Okay, so we have to learn about the introductory session related to all the numbers. So you all know even numbers are divisible by 2 only except 0, 0 which is not divisible by 2. So all the even numbers can be divisible by 2. They start from 0 to 4, 6, 8 and so on. 0 is the smallest. Uh, 2 is the even natural smallest prime number and 0 is the smallest even number. Okay, so because natural number starts with uh, natural number starts with 1, so 2 is the smallest natural number which is the even one, and 0 is the smallest even number but it belongs to category whole number. Okay, now you all know odd number, the numbers which when divisible by 2 remainder remains 1, they are called as odd numbers, and 1, 3, 5, 7 so on are the odd numbers. The odd numbers have these digits at the unit place, and even number has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at the unit place. So smallest odd number is 1. Okay, now successive even number, there is a difference of 2. Successive odd number, there is a difference of 2, you all know. Okay, now sum of any two odd numbers, if we do, we get the sum as even number. Okay, any two odd number, if you add, you get the even number. If any two even number you add, you will get even number only. Okay, the product of any two odd number is always odd. So these two things you keep in mind, that sum of two odd number is even and product of two odd number is always odd. Okay, if even number is divisible by an odd number, then quotient is even number. If odd number is divisible by odd number, the quotient is odd number. So these are some you can say things to be kept in mind, that if we divide even number with the odd number, and if it is completely divisible, the quotient is even, and if odd number is divisible by odd number, then the quotient is always odd if it is completely divisible. Now when we move to prime number, you all know what is meant by prime number. They are divisible by 1 and the number itself. Okay, so there are only two factors, the number and number 1. Okay, now in between 1 to 100 they are given the prime numbers, which are total 25 prime numbers in between 1 to 100. Their sum is also given and they had grouped them, means in between 1 to 10 how many prime numbers are there, in between 11 to 20 how many comes, 4, 4, 2, 2. So these all things you have to keep in mind. Their addition also you have to keep in mind. Okay, and the thing is 2 is the smallest even prime number. Otherwise rest all prime numbers are odd numbers. If you look the list carefully, you can have an idea that all the prime numbers are odd except 2, which is the smallest even prime number. So this chart you have to keep in your mind. Okay, now these are all the things they had given, that 2 is the smallest prime number and 3 is the smallest odd prime number. In between 1 to 100 there are 25 prime numbers. In 101 is the smallest 3-digit prime number, and 997 is the largest 3-digit prime number. Now in between 1 to 100 there are 9 such a prime numbers which remain prime even if we interchange their digits. Means if 11, 13, if you interchange the position of 3 and 1, 31 is also prime number. So like this, how many such a prime numbers are there? 9 such a prime numbers are there whose digit can be interchanged, even then also they remain the prime number. There are 21 prime numbers in between 101 to 200. So up to 200, how many prime numbers will be there? You have to keep in your mind. Okay. Now composite number, the number which is not prime, they are called as composite numbers. So 74 composite numbers are there in between 1 to 100. 4 is the smallest composite number. 9 is the smallest odd composite number. Okay. Now 10 is the smallest 2-digit even composite number. 15 is the smallest 2-digit odd composite number. So these things you have to keep in mind. Now again twin prime number means what? Twin prime numbers are such a prime number which differ by 2. Okay. So sometimes twin prime number can be co-prime number, and sometimes they are not co-prime number. Okay. So 3 and 5, 5 and 7, 11 and 13, 17 and 19, they are called as twin prime numbers because their difference is of 2 only. Okay. So there are how many such a pairs of twin prime number in between 1 to 100? So 8 pairs of prime numbers are there which are twin in between 1 to 100. Okay. And co-prime number, they are consecutive prime numbers, means one after another, but there may be difference in between them more than 2. If you see carefully, 31 and 37 are the co-prime numbers, but in between both of them there is a difference of 6 digits. 23, 29, again the difference is of 6 digits. So they are co-prime numbers, they are not a twin prime number. Okay. So this is the difference in between twin and co-prime number. So again you look here carefully, you read it carefully so that you can have an idea about the tricks used for the numbers. So sum of numbers from 1 to 10 is also given, which is 55. Sum of even numbers from 1 to 10 is 30. Sum of odd number is 25. Like this, they had here done the sum of all the numbers. You can see this chart. Okay. So in this chart, they had summarized all types of numbers in one column and their sum in group in another column. If you look carefully, 1 to 10, if we take the natural number, their sum is 55. If we take even number, their sum is 30. If we take odd number, their sum is 25. If we take prime number, their sum is 70. If we take composite number, their sum is 37. And likewise 11 to 20, 21 to 30 groups are made up to 100, and total sum is also given here. Okay. Now these formulas are important. So if we have to sum the numbers from 1 to n, if 1 to 20 I said, so what is the formula? So it is equal to 20 into the bracket 20 plus 1 upon 2. So it is 20 multiplied by 21 upon 2, means 21 to the 42, 420 divided by 2, so it becomes 210. So this is the sum of numbers from 1 to 20. So here from 1 to n means n is the number which we want. Okay. And we have to use the formula as n into the bracket n plus 1 upon 2. So 210 is the sum. Now sum of consecutive even number is equal to, now irrespective of how many numbers are there, first even number and last even number we have to add, divided by 2 and into multiplication में total even numbers. If odd number का sum we have to do consecutive odd number, first odd, last odd divided by 2. The formula is same. Okay. Now we have to find xth odd number after the given odd number. So suppose see the given odd number is 3 and I want to find the fifth odd number after 3. So what is the formula? This 3 plus 5 into 2 because I want fifth odd number. So 3 plus 5 to the 10. So it becomes 13. So 13 is the fifth odd number after 3. Okay. So this is the formula, xth odd number. And like this we can find out xth even number after the given odd number also. And we can find xth even number after the given even number also. Okay. So for given even number and for given odd number, the formula remains same. But for even number after odd number, we have to subtract 1 from the number. Okay, so this is the formula which we have to use. And odd number to find out after even number also we have to subtract 1 from the given formula. Now after that natural, international and Devanagari system, you know how to write the numbers in international system and Devanagari Lipi. Devanagari Lipi is Marathi Lipi and international Roman numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 which we use every day in our daily life are known as international numbering system. Now after that there are Roman numbers. I is representing 1, V is representing 5, X is representing 10, L is representing 50, C 100, D 500 and M 1000. Okay, and there are some rules. We can repeat this I and X. Okay, maximum 2 or 3 times, not more than that. Otherwise V, L, C, D cannot be repeated. C can be repeated, okay, but V, L, M, D cannot be repeated. The symbol I and X can be repeated consecutively maximum for 3 times. V never can be repeated. Okay, and now if we write the I and I right side of V or X, then we add. If we write left side, then we have to subtract to get the number. So these are all the rules which you know. You just go through the rules so that you can have an idea. Now after that there are triangular numbers. The numbers which can be represented by dots in a triangular array are called as triangular numbers. If you look carefully, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, likewise we give the numbering in a triangular fashion. So 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 are the triangular numbers. Okay, so like this you can find out the triangular number. 1, then second triangular number is 3, third triangular number is 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3, it gives us the idea of 6. So you can find the triangular number. So triangular number is equal to product of two consecutive number divided by 2 is the formula to find out the triangular number. So these all formulas you have to keep in your mind before you solve the practice exercise. Now moving to the sums, you go through the solved examples also so that you can have an idea. Now what is the sum of natural number from 21 to 90? So there is a formula which we had learned, that sum of natural number from 1 to n. We know the formula. What is it? N into the bracket n plus 1 divided by 2. So here we don't know the n and we are not starting from 1, but what we can do is we will calculate the sum from 1 to 20. We will calculate the sum from 1 to 90, and then whatever answer here we got and here we got, this answer we subtract from this, then we get the answer for 21 to 90. Okay, so this you can try, you try at home and you will get your answer. How many pairs of twin prime number are there from 1 to 100? So this is given in the theoretical session. There are 8 such a twin prime number which are there in between 1 to 100. Now x is an odd number which is completely divisible by 17. Now what is the next even number after x which is completely divisible by 17? So to find out the next even number, what is the formula? There is a formula. Okay, after odd number we can find out the even number by the formula the given odd number plus x into 2 minus 1. See, x is the see, this is the formula. X is the even number after the odd number, and to find out this even number after odd number, we have a formula which is the given odd number plus x into 2 minus 1. So using this formula you can solve the sum, or we can do okay, so using that formula we can find the next even number after the odd number. Okay, so what was the formula? X plus given number is x only, na? X is an odd number. Okay, so x is an odd number, so given number is x, and we have to find out the number which is next to the x and which is even. So 1 plus 1 we just check the formula. 1 into 2 minus 1. So do this. X plus 2 minus 1 is 1. So x plus 1 is the given even number which should be completely divisible by 17. So it is I solve it in another way, that if x is divisible by 17, so the next consecutive odd number must be divisible by 7, not by 17. The second even number after x they had asked, second even number, sorry. Okay, so x plus 2 into 2 minus 1, this formula we have to use, so it becomes x plus 3, and it should be divisible by 17, so we have to multiply it with 17, so it becomes x plus 51, something like that. Answer will come here. Okay, so you just check once. Now the sum of which of the following twin prime number exceed the sum of prime number between 1 to 25 by 44. So here you must know the sum of prime number between 1 to 25. Okay, so first we should know the sum of prime number between 1 to 25. So if you add the sum of prime number in between 1 to 10 is 17, in between 11 to 20 it is 60, and 23 is the only prime number in between 21 to 25, so total sum is 7 plus 3, 10, 1, 3, 100. Is it me? 17, 17, 77 and 23. 77 and 23, 100. Okay, so sum is 100. Now it is exceeded by this sum of twin prime number is 44 more than this sum. So 144 is the sum of twin prime number. Now you just check here which of the pair has the sum 144. So if you look carefully, option number 1, 71 plus 73 is equal to 144. So answer is option number 1. So sum of twin prime number exceeds the sum of prime number between 1 to 25 by 44. Now, how many prime number are there in between 11 to 100? They are given to us, that in between 11 to 100, the prime number whose digit when interchanged, it remains the prime number. There are 8 such a prime numbers. Okay, so it all given to you. Now the next what I want to take is P is the even number, and which is the 39th even number after P. So we have to use the formula. So P is the given even number and we have to calculate the 39th even number after P. So we will use the formula as P plus 39 into 2. Okay. So P plus 39 2s are 78. So P plus 78 is the 39th even number after P. So you have to use the formula as x even number after the given even number is equal to the given even number plus x into 2. X into 2 plus given even number. Okay. So this formula we have to use here. Now again here sum of consecutive odd number is given to you, which is 153, and we have to find the middle number. Now see, sum of consecutive odd number, the formula is there, first odd number and last odd number upon 2 multiplied by how many odd numbers are there. So we have 3 and their sum is given to you as 153. Okay. So now this 153 and this 3 is here in multiplication. When it goes to this side, it comes in division. So 153 divided by 3 is equal to 51, and this 2 will go to multiplication. So 51 into 2 is equal to first odd number plus last odd number. Now see, if I have first odd number as x and they are consecutive numbers, so the last odd number must be x plus 2 and x plus 4. So x plus 4 is the last odd number. So this formula becomes 102 is equal to x plus 4. So it becomes 102 is equal to 2x plus 4. Now subtract this 4 from 102. So if you get 98 is equal to 2x, so x is equal to 49. Now I got my first odd number and we have to find the middle one, and they are consecutive, so just add 2 in it, so it becomes 51. Okay. So like this you can find out the numbers. Now two composite odd numbers, product of smallest two composite odd number and the greatest even prime number. Now you must know which is the smallest 2-digit composite odd number. What is it? Okay, so smallest 2-digit odd composite number you must know, and the greatest even prime number you know, then you can add both of them. Okay, so greatest even prime number. But the greatest even prime number is 2 only. Okay, because all the prime numbers are odd. Greatest even prime number is 2, and the smallest two-digit composite number, I didn't get it. I think it is 10. Okay, 10, and their product is 20. Smallest two-digit composite, but odd number we want, so 10 is the even number. So smallest two-digit composite number 11 is a prime number, so it is not a smallest two-digit composite number. 12, 12, 12, 12 to the 24. No, no, odd we want. So 12, then 13, 13 is a prime. 14, 14 is also 14. वही तो हमने पढ़ा था ना, बट कंपोजिट एक मिनट. Smallest two digit even, smallest two digit odd composite number is 15. Yes, 15 multiplied by 2, so it is 30. Okay, so here they had said the greatest even prime number, but the greatest even prime number is 2 only, because all the prime numbers are odd. Only 2 is the even prime number. So like this you can solve the remaining sum, I hope, and try solving it. We will take the second exercise. It is very easy. It is based on Roman numbers. Now see, how will you write 500 in Roman numerals? So you all know which symbol is used for 500. D is used. Yes, very good. Now express the number 55 in Roman numbers. So we write 50 with the symbol L and 5 with V. So second option is the correct option. Now write the CC, XI, X in international numerals. So C represents 100. So 100 plus 100, it is 200, plus this X means 10 and IX means 9. So it is 219. Okay, so option number 4 is the correct option. So like this you can solve for the Roman numerals ka sum. It is very easy. Addition, subtraction by Roman numerals. If you have any doubt, then we will solve in the next class. So the next topic is based on natural number, whole number, integers, and the rational numbers, which we will take in the next class.